So okay, let's talk a bit about your Instagram. So at the moment you're on Instagram, correct?
Yeah, I have Instagram, TikTok. I do
TikTok.
YouTube Shorts and YouTube long form.
Awesome, awesome. Okay.
Yeah.
And tell us like how your Instagram will benefit a newcomer. Can they come to you and talk about like to get into crypto and all that?
I would say so. I think I kind of cast a decently wide net. I try to keep everything pretty balanced, right? Some beginner friendly videos, some kind of conceptual videos of
Interesting.
where we're at within the market, and then some, I'm gonna call them like dynamic videos of actually what's going on. Hey, we saw Russell 2000 reject. It's likely going to put pressure on this on altcoins, or we saw, we're seeing this in gold. That's going to put pressure on Bitcoin, whatever have you in that sense. And I think some of those videos can get a little bit, I have people comment like, "Oh, I kind of don't know what you're saying, but I do. But I'm curious and this and that," and that is kind of, I guess it is a byproduct. It's not exactly the point, but if you are a beginner and you're watching my videos and you're like, I don't understand that, it's kind of an invitation, and I try to set everything up so you can see what I'm looking at. Right, I'm not hiding any tickers. I'm not telling you, hey, I'm looking at this secret Fed liquidity chart. Right, I'm saying, no, I'm looking at the reverse repo market. I'm looking at gold. It's kind of an invitation for them to learn as well.
Awesome.
And that's not something that I say as I'm posting the video. But ultimately, just like you want to teach people and coach people and things like that, going beyond just the niche of crypto in general, but kind of these people you see online, the page shills, the, you know, scams, the this, the that, just the, mega bullish content just to get hundreds of thousands of followers so they can then go shill meme coins, whatever have you, right? The crappy courses, all these different things, right? It was kind of my
Exactly, man.
motivation to,
Exactly. This is our purpose to
yeah.
show to the people like to be careful from that. I mean, when it's dodgy money, it can be invested in marketing that is I call it
Mhm.
well, it's called black hat SEO marketing.
Yeah.
So they get all these followers with money and all that, and then you believe, oh, okay, that's the right thing because it's popular, right? And now that you're
Mhm.
talking about it, it's quite interesting. By the way, people can follow you on Instagram and where? How do you call the nicknames?
Everything is findable under Americana Crypto. Yeah.
Americana Crypto, awesome.
Yeah.
So I'll elaborate on this part. So this is, I mean, I just recently also started my Instagram, like literally maybe less than a month ago,
Mhm.
and because I saw that there is an issue with the algorithm that I'm fixing now on my YouTube, which I did fix actually. Now it's purely crypto. I did some
Mhm.
other things. Now it's purely crypto, and this is what I also do, like I want to explain what is the alphabet of cryptocurrency, this is how we learn how to talk, right? So first of all, we learn the alphabet and then we started talking. So you need to,
Mhm.
people, the newcomers, they need to know what is a private wallet, uh, how do you transfer crypto and and how can you buy crypto and what are the consequences. I'm talking about CEX, centralized exchanges, and DEX, decentralized exchanges. So once they know
Mhm.
the basics, right, which I have this all on my YouTube and I did a landing page on that, then they can start to get into it and make sense. And most of all, I don't know about you, but no one is actually paying me to promote their broker. And I'm very skeptical about this. I'm very
Mhm.
skeptical about this. I don't do this for money and I do this for education and power to the people. And anyway, if anyone is gonna give me something, I need to test it.
Mhm.
I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna be blatant. If someone wants to offer me something to do videos, I'll be very skeptical about it and I'll test it. So
Mhm.
I did got several offers actually from dodgy exchanges. Okay, I've checked it. They said to me, "Why don't you do videos for me? And I'll pay you for the videos and all that." I literally said no even to that because when I saw their exchange and I did a quick due diligence and I saw their website and all that, I was like, no, 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 I'm not gonna promote some I'm not gonna be the next Konstantin Galish or something. You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah,
I'd rather not get the money now or whatever, and get it maybe in the right time for the people rather than to do it, just to make money on that. So, and maybe that's one of the reasons maybe we are organically growing, and it will take time. And unfortunately, like you said, like there's a lot of people with a lot of followers, and they look at the followers, and then um, they believe that's the right thing because a lot of people follow. I actually do a lot of videos of avoid getting scammed also. So, and that's how they do this. So one of the ways that they social engineer people and they manipulate them is they go to famous YouTubers, right? And then they create a fake profile with their image, and then they send comments. And the people who are watching this YouTube video, they'll think, oh, okay, that's the guy. He actually sent me a message, and I can WhatsApp him, and then bam, they manipulate them, whereas we are gaining traffic slower, but authentic followers. You know what I mean? That we can actually come. I mean, I found you organically. We found each other organically. Okay, we don't have 100,000 million followers yet, but we found each other, and look at us. We're authentic. We're real. We're simple like the majority, and we're educating the right way. I mean, you can get the education from master manipulators, but then you'll get your consequences. So it's up to you. And then this is what hits me. Like many people actually do fall for it because of scammers or because of people who are corrupted and they get their followers and all that. So I believe we need to keep doing what we're doing, in the right way, authentic, and the right people will come, and then we can prosper on that. So